back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
But I'm going to try one of these days. You're going to have Keaton Smith. You'll have Bailey Lowe, Logan Robinson, and Brayson Fulton. John Regario Jr. in the number 44 as we are ripping around the Speedway here at Beckley for your feature AAS Pro Late Models. So far, John Regario Jr. in the number 44 is going to be the quick time overall with a 14.827. 14.827 at this time. It's the time to beat here for the first session of the American All-Star Series Pro Late Model warm-ups. Him out there on that Speedway. As you have the number 4, that's going to be Ryan Smith. Well, there's going to be the guy who's going to start on the pole. It's going to be the PPM Racing Products number 73 of Trevor Size. AJ Hicks going to be right there behind him in the number 10 machine. And then you're going to have the 00. That's going to be out of BHR 55 double nickel. It's going to be the 00 of Kendall Tucker. He is your reigning PPM Racing Product point leader. It's going to be the Earnest Performance All Right Shocks Car Care Phantom Racing Engine 21 Motorsports Sign and Graphics of Tyler Arrington. I see the number 39 of Henry Hornsby out of the AA Mini Storage, Harry's Radiator Shop, and Bradley's Car Wash, number 39 on the Speedway, as we are ripping for the second session here for the A feature cars. So far, John Regario Jr.'s time of the 14.827 is still the fastest of them all. Logan Robertson second quick, and that's AJ Hicks. AJ Hicks with a quick time with a 14.682. 14.682. Tyler Arrington with a 14.732. Hot lap session number 2 here for the American All-Star Series. AJ Hicks leads the board with a 14.682 of Tyler Arrington with a 14.732. It's still all AJ Hicks with a 14.682 as checkered flag should be in the air for the American All-Star Series hot lap.